Play it. That's right. Here we are, MMTs. Tom, you did excellent on your entries today. What the group has been working on key specifically is that how you would have this length of consolidation within a teeny line in the SMF system and what these diamonds are related to and why they work. And when you've got the wick sliding below that diamond, that's weakness. And you got that wick sliding below the diamond now. But then you got the same movement. You're going up and down here. But notice how the diamonds are popping down. Look, from these double diamond. But look how it broke out of. And it broke down to that side of the market. And the 525 put, where Tom was getting another entry around $9.10 there, would pay another dollar yield, already taken about a $1.50 yield on the first trade. There's another dollar yield because we broke down. Now over here, if you follow my pointer, because we are making the lower diamonds, we can see what the length of time here was within the SMF market maker diamond platform that prices in the general public and high frequency machines as well. Now we're getting down here to a diamond support. So we would be looking at, number one, during this period and during this breakdown, you can see that you're slightly below 55, but notice that the 0.16 ratio must continue to go higher. If it does not, then this lower teeny line where this diamond wick up, that's just the opposite of the top double diamond wick down. But then again, what we look for on that very fine macro between the buyer and the seller who's weighted is we would need to see a long wick above the lower 3-minute diamond. And we once again, by making a market, we'd be exiting here with so we would exit half of the position, hold the other half. So we're selling half of that position. You can see 1020s and 1030s are being executed. And that's within the overall movement. Yes, you still have half. Yes, there is weakness in there. But once again, the exit is where people have the most challenges and the most risk. Buying something that people don't even understand to start with and then trying to sell it, they really don't understand that. And the thing about it is it's scaling out with these profits and not bartering. But you do have a triple diamond alert live here and now. Here and now. That diamond, and that diamond is a triple diamond alert. And there's a lot of stuff that's going on in here. And if the bodies are closing below it, that means that there is price action weakness. And we're right here at this team. There's your diamond. You got it. You have a diamond in play. Because you do. And the red line, notice how the red line was declining? That's this gauge right here. Right here. That's that IR gauge. And when that thing was over here and it dropped that way, that's why the put option paid. And that's the way it works for the MMT operator anyway. And we're scaling out with profits in this particular moment in the price action print. Very good job understanding once again how to get entries and exits within the yield spread of the entry and the exit. And that is the dollar ratio spread. So if I got a $1.50 ratio the first time and I'm getting a $1.10, hey, I've made 2.60 positive debit ratio rewards by making a market and knowing when to sell out based on that bottom, based on that consolidation, and not bartering with my profits, but taking for what the market shall give. And I've got a double diamond reversal above the diamonds. That means that I'm going up in diamond value and I'm going to go down in put value. And this is why executing at the highs over here is the most important thing to do. There will be another debit entry Right now, it's a positive 2.6 total debit in the option, which equals $2.60, but we don't look at it as money. It's a 2.6 ratio debit. That's what it is. It's a plus 2.60 ratio debit. And we must not barter with exit. And we must take for what it's going to give during that macro moment between the weighted buyer and the weighted seller within the bid and ask. And once again, MMTs have done extremely well.